Alright guys, so we have Adobe After Effects opened already. So what we're going to do now is to learn how to select objects. So to do that, we have to create a new document. Composition. This is After Effects. So let's name it as selection. Where I space section. Selection. Alright. So for the dimension, I see 20 by 10. Okay, is okay. It's cool. That's the standard dimension for almost any type of video. Alright, so that's cool. So what we're going to do now is to select our selection tool. Oh, I've already selected it. It's by default, it's there already. So this is selection tool activated already, right? So it's if you look closely, you notice that it's the same pattern with Adobe Illustrator, the same shortcut V, right? Okay, here is V. Adobe Illustrator is Ctrl V. So, but it's almost the same shape, right? So to do that, we have to select our shape tools here. We have various shaped elements here, just like Adobe Illustrator. So let's use the square shape elements here. So I'm holding Shift, right, to click. I'm holding Shift and dragging, so I get a perfect square shape here. Alright. So to select these elements now, first you can either do that in two ways. You can click for this shape layer here and you have it selected, or you can also click from the element itself here. So but the two of them work perfectly, but that depends on also the kind of project you're working on. So you can decide to choose to select from here which according to you, if it's faster to you also. That depends on you. So so that's that for selection. So you can, once it's selected, you can move around just like Adobe Illustrator. The only thing that I would like here is directional selection tool, or direction selection tool, which you can still achieve in various ways, right? Let's say you want to expand the elements, or you want to manipulate each of these points. There are various ways you can do that with After Effects, and that's where this pen tool comes in place. When you have to do that, you have to expand these properties from the shape element there, right? So it means this place will have a rectangular part, you can convert it to bezier parts. So once it's converted, you can come to a pen tool here, right? You can also add points, just like the way you can also do in Adobe Illustrator. So you can come here, you can add points, you can delete points, you can also manipulate, shapes, elements. So this same function here is the same, it's the exact thing direction selection tool can do in Adobe Illustrator, right? So that's it, almost the same thing. If you notice now, if you realize I'm changing the elements, like I'm changing the shapes, changing it to a different customized shape compared to the way it was originally, right? So we've achieved it already, but we are not working on Adobe Illustrator, we are on After Effects. So let's get back to business. So that's all for selection in After Effects, right? Like I said, let me recap. You can either select from here, from the shape layer here, right? Or you can also just go straight to the elements here itself, select and move straight.